McTaggart Construction has a long and successful relationship with West College Scotland. Many of our past and present modern apprenticeships have attended the college. In fact, our sites actually support over 100 apprenticeships. So therefore, as a company, we know the value and importance that the apprenticeship family brings to the construction industry. McTaggart Construction has been supporting the Foundation Apprenticeships since their inception. We have chosen to support Foundation Apprenticeships as we believe as a company that encouraging young people to develop skills, knowledge and a passion will only lead to a better, more successful future for the construction industry. Foundation Apprenticeships allow students earlier engagement with industry, which can only be a good thing. McTaggart Construction may not be able to provide a huge amount of engineering-based apprenticeships, but we are always open to how we can support young people to gain skills and experience. The foundation level is an ideal time to open the minds of students to the possibilities of engineering, not only from a construction setting, but the wider field. The original plan for 2021 was to have 4 Foundation Apprenticeship students and support them through a series of work placements and opportunities on our link group housing sites in Inverclyde and Renfrewshire. And I would love to be sitting here right now telling you about the amazing journey and all their experiences that they've had on site. But the impact of COVID-19 has been significant for us all, and we realise that there is still an opportunity for learning as construction was able to stay open for a large amount of the lockdown period. We decided to work with West College Scotland then, not only to use our sites where they were still allowed to be open, but to use them as a learning experience for all the foundation apprenticeships, as well as putting the knowledge and skills of the professionals on site and in the office background to best use to create a programme that can give young people as close to an experience of working life through a virtual setting as we possibly can. McTaggart's expertise in supporting apprenticeships and equally our experience in supporting foundation apprenticeships has meant that we are confident to create a programme that would offer students an experience that would, 1, increase their knowledge, and 2, use sites as live case studies, give them real live construction based challenges and tasks. The delivery this year has been difficult. We have been delivering through Microsoft Teams, and we have been using project-based activities delivered digitally on a weekly basis. Working closely with the college, we've created a series of online work experience sessions, as well as a number of career talks from industry professionals. We're delighted to say that McTaggart's is currently supporting 32 foundation apprenticeships from West College Scotland and other partners across Scotland. We know that sitting in front of a screen for the students is nowhere close to the experience that they would have got on site learning from experienced professionals. So our approach was to how do we give them as much knowledge as we possibly can through a virtual environment. And we did this through a number of ways. We created live site visits. We gave them health and safety tasks and gave them tasks to work towards health and safety based qualifications. We spoke through the risks and challenges faced by the construction industry and set tasks on risk management procedures and things that they could do within their own home setting. We went into the construction process, in particular the social housing sector, and more importantly, we spoke about where the construction industry is going. We looked at materials, environmental issues, and the things that young people coming into the industry would have to challenge on a daily basis. Young people coming into the industry are essential. The skills gap is huge, but often the reality of the working environment is very different to the expectations that the young people have. Yes, academic qualifications are one thing, but experience and knowledge is key to a success in the industry. And that's why we believe the Foundation Apprenticeship programme is so important. It is an amazing stepping stone for young people to have very exciting careers. To anyone considering selecting a Foundation Apprenticeship as a course choice next year, I would encourage you to do so. This year has been very difficult, but we firmly believe that the experience that the students have had has meant that they have a greater knowledge and a greater awareness of where the industry is going. And if you decide to pick a Foundation Apprenticeship course next year, then you will gain valuable work experience, establish valuable relationships with industry, and it could potentially lead to an apprenticeship of your own. We believe that the greater industry knowledge, the more established relationships you have, will undeniably give you the competitive edge against other young people when it comes to entering the workplace. The Foundation Apprenticeship programme is an amazing opportunity, and you never know, one day you could be coming on to one of our McTaggart Construction sites. Thanks.